What?
Alright, Rosie.
They go up your nose, and then it's just so funky.
You're okay. You're okay. She's starting to have a crying spell. Not sure what's going on. You got an itch?
Rosie, you want to behave.
Is Mama tickling your belly? Mama gonna tickle you. Oh, honey. Do you have a rash on it? Oh my gosh. Yes, you do. Poor baby. You feel better? Did Mama put some cream on your rash?
Did you guys bring sodas?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got Canada Dry.
Favorite will you stand over?
Oh, okay.
The joy of traveling well is feeling at home, yet a million miles away from home.
Okay.
Discovering new flavors, or savoring the
Feel better?
not knowing what lies
Put
beyond
some
the
medicine on your
but
rash.
knowing what matters most to you. This is the joy of traveling well. Oceania Cruises.
There are 3 victims we know of.
This is an engagement for my dad.
Yeah, did Mama put
He was
medicine on your rash?
Spoken by the end of this trip than he was at the
I
beginning.
just put diaper rash cream on her tummy. Diaper rash
He's
cream
always
that
been a
I
very happy person, but I
put
think
on her
something was
tummy.
ignited in there.
It's a very special place for us. It was home for a number of years, very much our home. It was wonderful to reflect on those times. It was wonderful, yeah.
Having a multi-sensory experience like being back in Bowman is evoking a lot of emotions. All the familiar streets, places, houses, people are triggers for these memories, and every conversation he has is a trigger for shared memories. So this is reminiscence therapy at a supercharged level, combined with the power of social connections.
It's a very strange paradox that dementia attacks our connections, that attacks our memories. But it's those same connections that paradoxically fight the disease.
Oh.
Buddhism, I think we
They
set out
live
searching
there.
for.
You
It's
have
about
the
showing up. It's
cutest
about being there for your
smile.
family, your friends, your loved ones. It's about connection.
You have the cutest smile. Sweetie. Turn this off and charge
Dad
my
and I
camera.
got camp. Just the two of us and our rekindled memories.
Do you remember
See you guys.
coming out to some of the